Hey guys, I just wanted to give you a little bit of advice for finding your formative assessments. We won't always do them the same way, but this is going to be actually the second one I'm going to have you do. The first one I'll probably just talk to you guys a little bit and have you fill out a discussion. But our formative assessments will either look like a quiz or they'll look like something in person when I'm talking to you or talking to you virtually, or I'll have you fill out some type of discussion page. They'll basically look a lot different. But basically I just want to show you where this formative assessment was. You guys will have access to this when starting on Monday. But yeah, so it's just going to be, formative assessments are basically just going to be, I'm kind of checking to see what you know, to see if I need to do some reteaching or if we're okay to go on. So formative assessments will always be labeled. They'll have a number by them. I'm just going to kind of go in order of numbers, but they'll be located in the correct day when you need them.